Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just want to show you this parts mini bike I picked up a while back, a couple of summers ago. Part one, we were just showing off this frame that, and I found an old fuel tank, an old frame that I was mocking up to build a mini bike with, and I need a motor for it. And I remember I had this old concoction that somebody had put together a long time ago. They had made this rear end for it. It doesn't look too safe, but the interesting thing is this little engine. This is a 4-stroke single cylinder air-cooled motor. It's electric start, which is neat. I think it's a 90cc. I can't really tell. I think it's from a Honda CT70 or a CT90 or perhaps an ST90. It's a real, you can see it says Honda. Oh, right there. 72. So I guess this is a CT70 engine. It's mostly complete. That there would be the shifter, which is kind of cool. It's missing the sprocket and the cover, but that's not the end of the world to find. Actually, when I bought this, I got a big box of parts with the wheels and handlebars and controls and everything. I've got it all over there. And there's a, I don't know if you can see that. Right there, that tub has all the parts in it that came with this thing. There's actually a couple of wheels back there too. You can just see the edge of them. So I'm gonna have to pull that tub of parts out. Sorry, the disaster. This is my lair where I work on my toys and my stuff. But anyways, I'm thinking that motor would probably be a good motor to put into that mini bike. The chain is on the right side of, well, it's on the left side, and the wheel has the chain on the left side. We could do a jack shaft if we had to, but yeah. And I remember when I bought this, the guy said the motor did run, so I think we may have just found a power plant for our monster mini bike. You tell me, guys. Leave some comments in the comment section what I should do here. This thing is not safe to ride. See, what they've gone and done is basically welded the front end of a 1981 Honda XL80. Well, there you go. It was an XL80. I assume that's the street legal, hence the electric start 80cc engine. We'll put this onto mini bike. Stay tuned for some more videos of this project, guys. Thanks for watching.